Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you the third Android app that I developed using Android Studio in Java. So the app name is Alexa Rank Checker. So basically from the name itself you will be able to check the Alexa rank of a website or a domain. This is the Android app. You can see here very simple user interface. You need to plug the URL of the website and then click the button and it will tell you the Alexa rank. So the link will be there inside the video description. Already people are downloading this app. The size is pretty low, 3.2 megabytes. You can rate this app and give a detailed review after using the app. The link will be there inside video description. Let me just open this in Play Store. So you can see this is the app here, domain or website Alexa Rank Checker free app. So 2.2 megabyte size is there. So if you click the install button, it will install this app and it will take hardly 5 to 10 seconds to install this app. So it is installing this app. Now you can click the open button to open this app. So as you will see, it will pre-fill this codingsiksha.com and it will tell this Alexa rank which is 160,480. So you can cross check this Alexa rank by visiting alexa.com. This is correct Alexa rank it is telling here. And now you can change this URL to anything. Let's suppose I change this to freemediatools.com. And if I click get a domain Alexa rank, it will process it. And now you will see your website doesn't have a Alexa rank. So if your website is new, so your Alexa rank will not be there. So in that scenario, it will return this result to you that your website doesn't have Alexa rank. Now if you enter a popular website such as google.com, if you click get domain Alexa rank, it will return this result to you, which is, so it will take some time processing it, and after processing it, it will return 1 because Google have Alexa rank 1. You can change this to Facebook as well. So it will process it, and after processing it, it will return this result to you, which is 7. And similarly, you can enter any sort of domain, which is omegle.com. So you can see that. So in this scenario, guys, you can also enter domain like this, which have a prefix of HTTPS. So if you enter the domain like this, then also it will work. So incomeschool.com. So you will see it will process it and it will return the result 19,826. So you can also enter domain like this, which is www.crickinfo.com. So in any way you enter the domain, it will return the result for you. Very simple productivity tool kind of a Android application. So many a times you need to see the Alexa rank of a website for search engine optimization or for your own website also. So in that scenario, you need not have to go to an external website. You can just download this app on your mobile phone and you can plug the URL and you can see your Alexa rank. So here you can share your app by various social networks, WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail, Messages, Hangouts, Telegram. So share this app and also rate this app and give a detailed review. So the link will be there inside the video description. You can just go to it and I will be seeing you in the next video.